Welcome to Chubby Old Folks. This is our project for the day. Cutting down this tree.
Already.
I would just. I think we've done about all we can do.
My husband cut some of it down and then the boys would try to twist it and make it fall, but it was too alive up there at the top.
Let's see if we can. When I get it up, y'all try to twist it that way. Yeah.
It's easier and lower.
Lower?
Yeah. Hey, what you think that way, right?
Yeah.
Y'all be careful.
The boys had fun trying.
Ooh.
It's almost. Okay, y'all did really good on that.
Ooh. Good. One or two more times ought to get it. Maybe. Maybe not.
This one's it. I feel it in my bones.
You might as well have fun when you're working. The boys were trying to.
It's like,
We left it hanging.
Back up.
Then
Come
we
on,
went
come on.
to haul off some more junk. Jed's learning to drive. He's backing up the trailer. Driving. Jeremiah's 13. Both of them are 13. Jed likes to drive. Jeremiah does not. What 13-year-old doesn't like to drive?
Yeah, like right there. That ought to be about good. Go ahead. Come on back.
Where's he?
Come on. Alright. Now.
There goes Ben. Or Jed, as I'm calling him. He's
Get
pulling up
closer.
to our storage building where we have a pile of stuff. Tin, wood,
Yeah.
plastic. It all needs to go somewhere. Burn pile to the junk pile. That's still good stuff back in the back. We put it next to the fence. We have a pile down there of wood, tin, all kinds of stuff we may need or use later on. Jeremiah's holding Rosie. They're going to unload it back there by the fence.
There you go. Alright. That's burned.
I'm happy with y'all doing. There's just always more to do.
What was you talking about, Mama? Those two boxes, you're going to burn them?
Yeah, those two. Yeah. I'm not going to do rabbits anytime soon.
If that's as far as it goes. Yeah.
That's our burn pile, which we really need to set on fire. Putting the old wooden stuff in it. And we're going to scrap the metal in a metal pile that we have, and my husband's going to take it, haul it off in just a little bit.
Did you get ants?
Yep, that's the junk metal.
Oh.
A few other things.
You know what? I'm really thinking about just leaving it on.
There's our clean spot. So at least we accomplished something for the day. Hope you enjoyed our video.